Nah, all right, we'll do two. I am not going to enjoy this one at all. I'm going to need a lot of help. So these bottom rows is okay. I could deal with that. There's still some trace left on these. However, that might be an issue here. This, I don't even know where they go. I think the wires, hang on, let's get closer. Okay, it might, no. See what I mean? Look, the wires for the pads there. And I think here. I can't solder anything to these wires, so I'm going to have to run jumper wires. So in this case, I'm going to do the bottom row first, and then solder the port on, and the ones that I need to jump, I will solder to the wire to wherever it goes. All right, let's clean this up. I'm going to have to move my microscope back a bit. It's a bit too close. I don't like the fact that leg there is a bit to one side. Feeling a bit. What's going on with these hairs? A bit droopy on one. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. I'm just gonna rip that off. I don't care. That's only attached to this anyway, so I could just do one straight wire. Right. I think that's probably the best I could do. All right, bottom row first. That should be easy. We're just gonna go with that. Hopefully it's enough. All right, just getting some enameled wire now. Oh, need a bit of flux. Can't do it without flux. Right, so this is what we're looking like. I think that one with the gold on, I do have to grind that back a bit. I don't think it's tinned, is it? I'll just quickly grind that back. There you go, that'll do. Right, so now it's the top row. I don't know if this green stuff is going to be too high. I don't think it will be. No, it looks fine. Because the wires, I think, higher than the green stuff, potentially. that's the last one done. Yeah, that's cured. Now it's time to scrape back. I need to sort this bit out. It's really lumpy there. I don't want to damage it. Why is that so high? Is that a big chunk of solder? I might have to flatten it quick. Oh, what is it? Oh, yeah, I think there's way too much solder on that. It's only a ground anyway. All right, let me grind back the traces. Sorry about the wobbly cam. Yeah, let me try pre-tin it. Hopefully it works. It looks very wobbly, but I think that's going to be solid. Yeah, let's get a port on it. All right, let's have a look. Sat down now. This side looks slightly up now, but my tweezers are so hot. That's not soldered. So they're all fine, apart from that second one. Wait, which one was it? The second one. Yeah. So if I quickly touch that up now, it should be all right. I hope. All right, let's see if that's soldered on there now. Yeah, it's fine now. All right, okay, let's give it a clean. All right, okay, let's see if it reads on the ammeter. Wait, are we missing an M92? No, M92's on it. Not reading anything that way. Not reading anything that way. Oh, here we go again. Right, why is it not working? Let me see if it reads another board. See if it's not my... No, it's not my charger. That is an OLED port I put on it, right? And not a... Yeah, that is an OLED port. Yeah. Back to basics. Let's check diode mode. Actually, let's check the fuse. As always, fuse is good. Any shortened BQ? No, nothing. That's all fine. Do you reckon it's M92 again? They've put a dodgy M92 on. Hang on. I don't think I've even inspected this board yet, have I? I mean, I've not even looked at the board, so there might be stuff missing. The M92 looks a bit. Wait, are they bridged or is that just dirt? That looks bridged. Hang on a minute. Is it bridged? Let me have a look. Let me check for shorts. Yeah, it's the M92. It's bridged. Right. I don't know if it's worth replacing this M92 or just solder it back on without the bridges, whoever done that. Let's just take it off to begin with. Right, let's check, see if the short's gone. I'm in beep mode. Yeah, no beep. We're good. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, let's try this. Oh, yes, come on. Yay, 15 volts. And on the other side, yay, 15 volts. Woo. Right, okay, so we know it charges, but does it power on? And if it powers on, does it dock? I'd be so shocked. Oh no, it won't dock because the chip's not on, but I want to see if we have power. Extremely ripped pad. We get a battery logo. Yoo-hoo! Okay, so I guess next step. That's cool. Oh, I must have already tested it. 'Cause it's got Mario Kart on it. Yeah, I might have already tested it before actually repairing. No, I haven't. No, I've not repaired this, looked at this one at all. Cool. Okay. So thank you for the like and cheers. Woo! It is fixed. Right, okay, so I guess let's install P13, see if it docks, and if it doesn't, it's jumper wire time. Right, let's get this on. Please, that'd be so nice if it actually worked out of the box. Well, when I mean out of the box, I mean straight away. Where's the dot? There. So I think I need to flip it around. I think that went on okay. I'll inspect it in a second. It's extremely hot still. Yes, DJ Rusty Russ fixed. Most. Oh shit. There's thermal paste on that side. Most of it's fixed. Just need the docking part now to work. Ah, yeah. This is so hot. I'm going to use my fan to cool it down. That should be it. Yep, we're on. And while that's doing that, this is what I used to test it. I can't remember who asked. By Oscar. Right. This will be hilarious. I'm going to point the camera to my TV, and then you guys can tell me if you see a picture on there. Well, not tell me, but you'll see it. Ready? I'm plugging it in now. Screen's gone black. And of course it doesn't dock. Why would it? Let's do it the other way. Plugging it in now. Screen on the switch just gone off. Give it 5 seconds. Nope, nothing. It's just a V1 switch. If I use this, this will tell me if there's any issues, right? Only one. Only one isn't connected. That's pretty good. Oh, now it's showing two. Let me clean the port. All green. What? It's all green. So what does that tell me? Why is it not docking? It's all green. Could it be a bad P13? I didn't realize it fell on the floor. Right, let's power it on so we know it's on. And unlock it so it's not going to go sleep. Okay, so that's in. Bring this down. Take the HDMI. Even this is really sticky. Hang on, let me clean my HDMI lead. Okay, that feels better. In here, in the power lead, in there, and there we go. Screen's off, and do we get a display? Who's good? That's crazy. That is beautiful. I don't believe it. Well, we've got a display. Oh, that hard work paid off, man. That's crazy. Oh, every single pad almost just torn. Thank you. It does dock. Yes, we have picture. Yay. Thank you. Yeah. All right, peace out. I'm gonna go now. Bye. Yeah, see you in the next one.